Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Brandon C. with Sharp and Clicks Digital Marketing. In this video, I want to talk about the sales process. There are different stages in the sales process. A lot of us can get caught up in just running one ad on Facebook or doing one type of promotion or something like that, but that's just clearly not how you do it. You have to have a whole uh, three-step marketing process that I want to get in on this video to let you know how to communicate with your customers. Some advertisements and some things you see out there is like, do this now or join today or come in right now. It's cool to put that out there for the first step, but I want to get into it before I just start rambling on. So pay attention. All right. So the first step of the marketing process is the awareness stage. Now, people are not going to buy your product or interact with you if they don't know you exist. So this is the first step in the marketing process. This can be achieved in many different ways. It depends on what type of business you're running. There's a couple of different type of businesses out there that you possibly could be running. It could be a professional business. Okay. And so there's a lot of things that could fall underneath professional businesses, gyms, HVAC, lawyer. What else is out there? Painter. Anything professional. You're catching my drift. And then there's entertainment. This is more like your restaurants. Excuse my spelling. Gyms can be included in that as well. Um, what else? Movies. You catch my drift. And also SaaS companies, software as a service. If you have an app or something like that, some kind of subscription-based product online. I know one I used when I was selling books, Scout IQ, different type of software as services. The first step in awareness, you can achieve this in a couple of different ways. One is content organically, like this YouTube video. If you searched the sales process or three-step marketing, you may have came across this organically. So posting content. You got SEO, search engine optimization. This is where you optimize your website or landing page for certain keywords that Google recognizes in the search, and you rank up in the SEO metric. And then you have PPC, pay per click. This is where you just pay for clicks. You pay whenever someone clicks. And sometimes you can achieve this with social. Now, the reason I say sometimes because on social media, you might not be on social media looking for a lawyer, or you're not going to be on social media looking for, a doctor maybe. So the reason I'm saying sometimes social is that sometimes in this professional column of types of businesses, it may fall under social. So say for instance, a gym, there's some things you can post on social media about the gym, like, we're here, weight loss, showing off your equipment, showing off your building. But as a lawyer, you're not going to be like, hey, you in trouble? Call us now. That's just waste of money if you have the budget to do it. But I would stick with Google, because more than likely when you're looking for your lawyer, you're on Google. All right. And the next is consideration. Okay. So after this step, after you bring awareness to your brand with different forms of content, or you've gotten your SEO ranked, or you have a great PPC campaign out there, Or if you're in the entertainment business with a restaurant, just letting people know who you are, your food, and things like that. The consideration. This is where you tell people on, this can be social media on any aspect, because after you have them on SEO PPC, then Facebook and Instagram tracks who has looked at your content, so you can retarget them under consideration phase, which is wonderful. So this is where you want to show your authority, why you're the best, what's different about you from the competition. So this is where you want to put out content like that in the consideration phase. You want to keep up with your audience. And what's great about digital marketing during this awareness phase, this is a funnel. Remember this, guys. So the people, these are people. Let me draw a stick man. These are people hopping into this whole process. And they go through. So all these people up here are going through this, and they're going through this funnel. So keep that in mind. All right. So in the consideration phase, we want to build that authority, let people know why you're the best, what differentiates you from the competition. Talk about your BBB or your Angie's List or your whatever awards you've won, whatever accomplishments, licensings, things like that, in the consideration phase. Let people know who you are. Let people know about you, why you started the company, one of those type of advertisements in this phase. Okay? And so the next phase I want to discuss is conversions. All right, in this stage, this is where you want people to come to your website, landing page. So this is where you lead them indefinitely. So this is where you want to show scarcity. You want to show a limited time or something to entice your conversion. That can be an email. That can be money. That could be appointment. Whatever your conversion is. This is where you want to lead them to that landing page. And I use ClickFunnels because it kind of stays with this funnel approach instead of having people, you see all these buttons. For example, on a web page, you'll see all these buttons like home, about me, this. So people can go all over the place. But with ClickFunnels, I can keep them in that funnel to where I want them to go. So I love ClickFunnels. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. And so, yeah, this right here is the way, the sales process, the way to keep your potential customers, to keep those prospects in a funnel. All right. And so there's many different ways in this consideration phase. I just want you to remember, maybe you get them in an awareness. Maybe you get them in with a lead, something called a lead magnet. This can be something free that you're offering. Me personally, I want to give out as much value as possible. I want to give out as much free stuff. I'll give out everything free because the thing is, people want that free stuff kind of arranged in order so they will buy from you when we're talking about coaching or informational products or something like that. So this can even work in certain industries such as a personal trainer, maybe give out free workout lessons on YouTube or something to allow people to give you their email. Okay. So with this awareness stage, you want to get the most bang for your buck is create a lead magnet. Maybe get a YouTube channel and just put out all your stuff for free. Like that way you can get their email to be able to do some consideration marketing, with email marketing. There's so many ways to do this. So you need to be creative. Think outside of the box. You have Facebook Messenger bots. I hate to call them bots, but it's basically automation. So you have a lot of things where you can use this and let people know why you're the best and keep giving out value. In this consideration phase, give them more value in order to give them get that conversion. All right. So that's it. I think my wife's calling me. She's probably going to come down here and mess up my video. But that's all I can think of right now. In this consideration phase as well, you want to just show social proof. You give out testimonies so people can see what you've done for other people. So basically, this video is just to show you the whole sales process. And if you have any questions, leave a comment, let me know, and I would love to answer those for you. All right. I hope you have a great rest of your day.